confused on how to use essential oils? With this recipe box, you'll learn how to make your own soap products using essential oils. Let's make this Love Cleansing Shave Soap so you can master using essential oils. With this recipe, you'll go from confused on what essential oils do I use in this recipe, how much is safe, to knowing how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. Turn off your distractions, making is healing. Let's get ready to get started. Here's what you need to make this recipe. For this recipe, you'll need a 1/2 ounce of melt and pour soap base, a 1/4 cup of water, and Love Essential Oil Blend. Step 1 is to prepare an ice bath. So to make that, you'll need this size bowl-ish and fill it with ice because we are going to rapidly cool down our recipe to help it thicken up and get its cool, soapy, foamy consistency. Now that I have that, I'm going to heat up my water to a boil. You can do this in the microwave or on a stovetop. So this is boiling. I'm going to pour it into a larger bowl so that I can use an immersion blender to mix it. Oops. And I'm going to add my little 1/2 ounce of soap and dissolve it. If my water isn't hot enough and the soap doesn't quite dissolve, I can just pop it back into the microwave briefly until it melts. Melty, melty. If you're using the soap from the Simply Earth February recipe box, a 1/2 ounce is 1 cube in your little soap tray. The soap has been melted. So now what I'm gonna do is grab my ice bath to help it cool down. And now I'm gonna add my essential oils. For this recipe, we're using 10 drops of Simply Earth's Love Blend. Make sure the essential oils are mixed in with the soap. The soap can help dilute the essential oils. I'm now going to mix it with an immersion blender. You can also use a hand mixer or something similar to get the foam consistency of our shave soap. And whip. When it's whipped up, it's gonna be this fun, foamy consistency that's perfect for shaving. If you don't use it all right away, which there's a decent amount here, so you probably won't, it'll lose some of its water. To get it back to the shaving consistency of this nice foam, just add a little bit of water and stir it back up to get it to the right, wonderful shaving consistency. Store your shave foam in a sealable container and don't forget to label it. To use it, apply to your body and then shave and rinse away just like you would with regular shaving cream. The Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box makes it so easy to make essential oil recipes just like this. I love seeing your creations, so when you make this, please share a picture on social media and tag From Simply Earth with hashtag I made this. Use the February Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box to master using essential oils to make your own soap product. You'll love using essential oils with confidence and clarity.